innovative idea, fun activity idea, and I'm actually loving it. Now let's go on to Prateek. He has some bit of innovation, but
my innovation is already there.
Let's talk on a serious note now. Okay, I know it's a wrong thing for this way, but yes, let's talk on a serious note. I think Prateek has shared some very interesting, mail with us for all the people working on the .NET application. Let's hear from Prateek what has he shared with us.
That was just a small mail that has nothing to do with today, and.
If you've done something actually, because we've found.
As you said, on a serious note, we don't allow anything serious in this way. So that's a very good innovation by Upbase. Yes. So I think on behalf of the whole page, being not serious is the innovation of the day.
Okay.
I believe only in inventions. Okay, so actually I'm going to invent something. You will see after 50 years. Okay.
50 years. Will you be there to share that with us?
Yes, sure. I will be there, but make sure you must be there.
I'll be there, definitely. Okay, so we had some interesting comments by Mr. Tripathi. Now let's move on to Mr. Sarkar. Okay. Mr. Sarkar.
What?
The idea of innovating the entire practice is getting lost. What I'm realizing now. Let's have a serious discussion on this now. What's the idea of innovation? We've been having this tech innovative days since quite some time. Let me tell you guys.
Take care of my eyes.
Okay. He's scared. Biplab being one of the oldest employees of tech. Let's hear from him. What has he innovated? He must be having some very good ideas.
You're speaking. Okay, first of all, let me rectify you. This is you said on serious note. This is not a place where you should be asking this question.
Why not?
This is not a serious question. This is a very fun place. A place where you should be actually enjoying your work, not working actually.
Okay.
And as far as innovation is concerned,
there.
every part of our work is actually innovation.
He's
लगता है अमेरिका से रोके मुझे आ गया पता चल गया
Okay. My next step, but this is one of my innovation, which I'm currently working on. You want to demo of our innovations here?
Yeah, sure. Why not? If you want to share, with
Some
the
technical
demo.
Yeah.
Okay. The laptop?
Who is the owner? Actually, I did to open this laptop.
Okay, so your innovation is there in the laptop.
Yeah, you see these two machines, they are working, they are communicating with each other. Tomorrow, this machine will be actually iPhone, and that machine will be your normal desktop machine or laptop.
Okay.
And they will be communicating with each other. So this is R&D work which we are working on today.
Okay.
And this is the innovation for today, which we aim to finish it off.
By?
seriously
By? Innovation is going to be completed by?
Today!
Oh, excellent! So by the end of the day, we should be having some results with us.
Yes.
Okay, so here we have the two non-productive, as Biplab defined it in the early morning today, that there are some non-productive in the coding zone.
And first is Rachita.
And the first one is followed by Mahesh and Tushar. Mahesh and Tushar, over to you.
First of all, I would like to say that innovation means like keep trying and
Keep trying.
being committed and
Let him speak, guys. Let him speak. Yeah.
and as far as innovation is concerned, on my behalf, I'm still learning and yet to read anything. But the agenda would be only getting RFPs for the user society.
Okay.
Over to Mahesh.
Yeah, as rightly said by Tushar, it's not about a one day. You need to keep innovating every day. But honestly, with the regular course of the work, the actual motive behind the tech innovative day is really lost. So I think it's time, guys. We all should get serious.
Okay.
Mr. Manish Hada with us. Hada ji, please share your innovation with us.
मैंने नोट किया कि सरकार जो ना सरकार क्यों कहते हैं?
Innovation idea भी होगा कुछ, मतलब what's the idea behind this and the solution to this? क्या है? सरकार को सरकार क्यों कहते हैं?
क्योंकि क्या होता है?
गोविंदा
जैसे गोविंदा कहते हैं ना, क्या होता है कि इसके सर के ऊपर काज चलती है, उसकी सरकार ही कहते हैं.
Okay.
सभी होता है.
Okay. Sorry, but no, anyone specific? Right. Okay. No. Okay. So that was depressing. Now we have our newcomer with us. He's joined us pretty recently. He's Coach. Coach, your idea of innovation. You know about the tech innovative Saturdays, right? So, कैसा लग रहा है? We're running out of time.
idea for tech innovation. There should be a tech innovation for BAs and APMs also as well. Like I saw on second floor that guys are working together and they are coming up with some good things. So I think that we should also.
You're hiding out. Yeah.
Okay, wait. I thought this is
So what are you saying? There should be some innovation for BAs and APMs. So do you have anything in mind that you can suggest for us?
Yeah, there should be like if there's a tool.
Yeah. That's me. Yes, go ahead.
But everything still remains, and I hope that we'll get a date on which I have to present the thing to the whole BA team.
Okay, great to hear this from you. And I think yes, that date we will have to work towards that date. Let's get that going. And so now we are entering Mr. Radesh's room. Here we have Mr. Radesh. Let's hear from him what he's about.
Please be comfortable.
Okay,
try and make them comfortable.
So that's what innovation
Please be comfortable. And for me, innovation is doing nothing for the whole day.
Okay.
This day I have to be in office and I am in office. Thanks so much.
Okay, great hearing that from you. Now we are entering Mr. Ashish Kumar's room, and he's supposed to be my manager. Let's see what he's innovating. Ashish, we have this one activity going on, this tech innovative day. So we would like to hear from both of you. What's the idea of innovation for you? Let's hear it from Ashish Gupta first.
Well, innovation is anything that people haven't done before, which helps you save time, effort, and solve problems that you face in your daily life.
Okay, that's interesting. But yes, do you have any idea for we've been seeing this tech innovative Saturday since a long time. People are slowly and gradually getting away from this entire concept. So do you have anything to to improve this activity a bit more?
Yeah, definitely. I think it needs to be done in a slightly organized manner, and I think it shouldn't just be an exercise that people come on Saturday morning and see, okay, what can I do today? It really should be a planned manner, and maybe what you should do is that, on the Monday of the week before the Saturday, people should send and say, hey, this is what I'm going to do this Saturday, rather than it being a random exercise on which there is only individuals' initiative counts.
Those were some real, helpful tips from Ashish on innovation. Now let's hear from our manager actually. What's the innovations idea for him? Ashish, over to you.
Well, to me, what innovation means is that how do you get things done? When these things are not really straightforward. As an example, I know that watching cricket inside Tech is not really allowed. So people have been banned, but when I go around, I see people going to all different types of websites, Anonymizer, and they try to find. So I really find it innovative. Whether it is good for the company or not is another thing. I really find it innovative.
So Tech Saturdays are actually for this, to have something or the other being as an innovative thing being openly coming out for people to share.
Absolutely, I agree with that.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so let's go on to the second floor now. Okay. Now we are entering to Manish Dhingra's cabin. Let's hear from him what the idea of innovation is.
Sorry,
He's already given us idea. Somebody's hiding behind him. Let's get him. Okay. I think he's shy of the camera. Manish, what's the idea of innovation?
This microphone is what?
No, it is working. It's an innovative idea by Prateek, one of our employees in the first floor. He's innovated this.
Well, the idea of innovation is just this.
Just this?
Yes.
Okay.
You hold a mic and you speak it out, right? It's the mic which is important. It's not what is the end product of using the mic which is important. Does that make sense?
That's an interesting tip, though we did not get a lot of that, but yes, interesting.
You have it on camera, now go back and review it time and again and try to make sense out of it. But coming back to the point, innovation is, it's very hard to describe innovation. At the same time, from the perspective of the way we treat innovation here, for us innovation is doing something which is completely outside of what you do in normal day-to-day life. Which really could be stuff which you wanted to do or you read about it over the weekend or read about it, like let's say last month and you wanted to explore. And sometimes you're out of ideas because there is not a lot which you can explore in let's say a day. So you can actually use this day to do innovative stuff for even some of the projects which you're working on for your customers. So, which is what I call as giving them value beyond what is promised in the PRD documents which we write. So that exactly is what today, which is Innovation Day, should be utilized for. Right? And everybody should have a mic like this.
Sure. Those are the serious tips from Manish. Let's go. Thank you, Manish.
Yeah.
Let's go and enter the second floor. Please. Can somebody help me out, please? Okay. Hi everyone. Guys, can you hear me now? Okay, so we have this very fun activity going on. This is a video shoot which is happening, and we'll be coming to you knowing your idea of innovation. So let's start from Pawan. The camera person, please focus here. Yes, Pawan, what's the idea of innovation for you?